The major challenge facing materials for asphalt pavements with respect to sustainability is that the production of asphalt is energy and greenhouse gas emissions intensive, which has a negative impact on global warming potential and the environment. So, to improve the sustainability of asphalt pavements, we need to reduce both the energy and emission levels, which means effectively using fewer virgin materials and extending the lives of asphalt mixtures. PMB made with Honeywell Titan can be produced, mixed, transported, and paved at lower temperatures as compared to SBS modified PMBs. This means lower emissions and lesser fumes in the entire process. Using RAP or RAS reduces the need for virgin materials. More information and a case study related to this topic are available in another video. The link to this video is available in the description.